Hi everyone, my name's Erin, co-founder of EMBODY. Welcome to session 2, Reconnect with your body. We're gonna begin by some gentle breathing. If you wanna put your hand on your stomach and your heart, you may close your eyes or keep them open, whatever feels comfortable to you. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose. And release. One more time, breathe in through your nose. And release. Last time, breathe in through your nose. And release. Put a soft smile on your face. Gently open your eyes if they're closed. You may put your hands down to the side. Today, I just really want to emphasize the fact that your body belongs to you. And we're gonna just reconnect with our body by doing some shoulder circles. Here we go, like this, roll them back. It is a beautiful day to be alive. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, we're gonna speed up a little just to get to the beat. Roll it. I'm bending my knees in between if you'd like, so that I'm moving my whole body. Let's do big arms. Here we go, all the way out. That's it. You're doing amazing. Let's go forward. That's it. Very simple. You might feel it burning in your shoulders a little bit. That's great. You got it. Are you smiling? Okay, we're gonna put our hands out to the side. We're gonna move our rib cage, okay? We're trying to keep our hips in place. Bend your knees. That's it. Kind of squeeze your core. Squeeze your bum. Squeeze your legs a little, softly. Side to side, just your ribs, as you can see. Ribs, try to move just your ribs. These are called isolations, yeah? We're gonna isolate different parts of our body to really get the blood moving and to get out of our head into our body. Hands on our hip, forward and back. Forward and back. I'll stand to the side. This is what it looks like. Forward and back. Forward, same thing. We're trying to move just our ribs. Great job. You got it up. Here we go. Front and back. Front and back. That's it. Front and back, front and back. Now side to side, side to side. Killing it. Make sure you're breathing. And incredible. Front and back, front and back. Okay. We're gonna go front, side, back, side. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. That's it. Keep going. We'll keep repeating till you get it. You're amazing. Thank you for showing up. That's it. Okay, we're gonna smooth it out. It's the same movement. I want you to think about touching all corners of the room, if that makes sense. Okay, here we go. Smooth it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Smooth it out. That's good. Really move your spine. We're really trying to move our spine today to get our body used to this movement. It's so healing. It just feels good to move our body. Okay. You got this, good. Around, touch all the corners of the room. Other way. Front, side. We'll slow it a little bit till you get this way. You're doing great. Put a smile on your face. It's a beautiful day to be inside our body. to remember that this is my body. I am in control of my body. Yes? Okay, we're gonna move to our hips. Slow movements. We're gonna go side, side. Just push it out. You can bounce a little. My knees are bent, 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 bent. Push like you're trying to push something to the wall, to your side. Push, push, push. Bend those knees. Push, push. That's it. Let your arms hang. Just be a little floppy. Those hips. I love it. Gentle movement. Smile on your face. A breath. Some lovely tunes. We're gonna go back and front to get the front and back of our pelvis. Here we go. Go back and front. Go back and front. From the side, back, front. Really push. Use your pelvis. Front, back, and front. That's it. You got it. Back and front. We're actually going to repeat the same thing with our hips that we did with our rib cage. The bottom part of our spine. Okay, we're going to go front, side, back, side, front. Just loose, loose. Loosen it up. If there's something in your body that feels tight, like you feel stiff, totally normal. Maybe think about breathing into that area. For example, my left hip over here, it kind of is tight. So I'm going to think about breathe into it and release. When I exhale, just imagine it releasing. Nothing more to it. Front, side, back, side. Front, we're going to speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Front, side, back, side. You can put your hands on your hips if that feels good. Or not. Your choice. Back, side. Okay, we're gonna smooth it out. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit all the corners of the room. That's it. Make it dramatic. Use your whole body. Touch all the corners of the room with your hips. That's it. You're incredible. Just move your spine, move your body. Okay, we're gonna go the other way. Around, around. That's it. You're awesome. We're gonna do our head next. Just moving those in isolation. Here we go, to the side. Left and right, just tilt. Try to keep your shoulders down. Okay, there you go. Side, stretch it out. Sometimes I like to put my arms like this because it stretches my neck a little, if that makes sense. Or down, loose. Now we're gonna look down and up. 3, 2, 1. Down and up. Down and up. Good job. And down and up. Down and up. Down, up, down, up. We're gonna do a circle, slow. Be very slow to the back. Be careful of your spine. Good job. Keep going. Slow as you want. You can slow it down or be a little more speedy. Other way, here we go. Turn it around to the other side, all the way around. You can kind of like breathe into those tight spots of your neck. That's it. Now we're gonna do our legs. We're gonna isolate those leg movements. Woo, shake it off. That felt really good. Did it feel good to you? Felt good to me. Okay, we're gonna just lift our leg, kind of kick your bum. Flex your foot like this. We're gonna just kick our booty. Okay? Because we're just gonna get those legs a little bit more pumping. Side to side. Side to side. You got it. Yes. I'm moving my arms like this, if you prefer, okay? That's it. That's it. I see you out there. Smiling? Feels good to move our bodies. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna bring our knee to the front. 3, 2, 1. Here we go to the front. Pull, 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 pull. That's it. This is a good warm-up. Reach, pull, reach, pull, 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 pull. I can slow down for just a moment. You're gonna reach and then pull, and then reach, pull, reach, pull, reach, pull. That's it. Pull, pull. Speed it up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull. That's it. Probably feel your blood pumping a little bit of aerobic activity. That's it. Okay, big butterfly rainbow with your arms. Bring those hands to your heart. Feel that energy in your body. My heart's pumping a little bit. Sway back and forth. Okay, we're gonna wave our arms. Here we go. Wave, wave. Look how beautiful our hands look. Just a simple movement of our hands. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms flow. Bend your knees. Say to yourself out loud, I love my body. I am safe. My body belongs to me. My body belongs to me. Put a smile on your face. Let it flow. Let's get those arm movements a little bigger, okay? Here we go. Big, big, be big. You can step, step, step. That's it. Be big. I'm gonna turn around so you can see me from the back. What I'm doing, same thing. Big, 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 big. That's it. Keep going big, 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 big. Let's go to the front. Front, front. Arms to the front. That's it. Amazing. Let your head follow. Follow your arms. You're beautiful. You are powerful. I am beautiful. Say it to yourself. I am powerful. I am strong. I am safe. I am here. I showed up today. I showed up today. That's huge. Now we're gonna do a little bit even more intense spinal movements. We're gonna go open and close, okay? So sort of slightly switch your body to the side. You're gonna open and close. And open and close. Open and close. Open, really stretch your back. You could feel it there. Close. Like a rag doll. Fall. And then open your heart to the sky. Smile. Imagine the sun shining on you. Feel its heat, its warmth. Warming your body, my body. Take a deep breath in. And fall. Close. Open. Close. Open. Perfect. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Let's go to the other side. Slightly shift to the other side. My arms are slightly wide, wider than my hips. My knees are bent. Just soft knees, yeah? Okay, ready? We're gonna open to the sky. Open. And ragdoll close. And open. Let's enjoy that sunshine. Open to the sun. Feel the sun on your body, on your heart. Blessing you with this day, this moment. I am strong. I am safe. I am connected to my body. Here we go. Let's go and close. open, close. You're doing so beautifully. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. You got this. We're gonna do one to the front. It's a little different. Here we go. We're gonna reach up, and then we're gonna bend our knees, and we're gonna melt all the way down, hit the floor, and roll up. From the side, it looks like this. Reach up, melt, bend your back slightly, bend your knees, hit the floor, roll up your spine, reach up, melt, smack. Yes. Reach up, melt, smack. Roll it up, that's it. Reach up. Imagine that sunshine. Roll up, reach up, roll down. This is amazing. Put your hands on your hips. Just touch your stomach for one moment if it feels comfortable. Think about something you're grateful for. Maybe for showing up for yourself today. Maybe for this moment. Maybe for the fact that you can move your body. Put a gentle smile on your face. You can open your eyes. If you were closing them like me, sway back and forth. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your body is allowed to move. It feels good to move. For you, it feels good to move for you. Thank you for joining me in session 2. I can't wait to see you in all the other sessions. Have a beautiful day.